Struggling to find a trading strategy that fits your style? We've got you covered. Our brand new scalping strategy is perfect for traders of all levels and styles. You can now trade on any time frame, even the super fast 1-minute chart. This strategy lets you trade the way you want and adapt to any market conditions with ease. In this video, we'll be using the popular TradingView platform to demonstrate our amazing trading strategy. Don't feel limited to just one chart. We'll be showcasing it on the 5-minute chart, but you can apply it to any chart of your choice. We use two incredible indicators to share with you, and the best part is they're completely free. So our first cool tool is something called the Profit Maximizer, or PMax for short. It's a handy indicator that will help you make the most out of your trades. To add this to your chart on TradingView, just follow these simple steps. First, you need to head over to the indicator section. Then in the search tab, type Profit Maximizer or PMax. Next, click on the PMax indicator to select and add it to the chart. Alright, let's break down how the PMax works. It's a combination of two handy indicators that work together to help you out. The first one is called the moving stop loss, or MOST. This one helps you figure out when to close a trade to secure your profits or limit your losses. The second part of PMax is based on the well-known ATR indicator, which stands for average true range. This helps you measure an asset's volatility or how much its price is moving around. Together, they create those two lines you'll see on the chart. The PMax lines will move along with the price, helping you spot good moments to make a move. When the lines cross each other and go down, it's a sell signal. That means it could be a good time to close a long position or enter a short one. On the flip side, if the lines crosses and go up, that's a buy signal. It could be a good moment to close a short position or into a long one. That's how the PMax works. Alright, so the PMax is already pretty good at giving you these buy and sell signals, but we can make it even better with a few simple tweaks. Don't worry, it's easy. Let's head over to the indicator settings, then go to the impulse tab. Here's where we'll make our changes. Keep the indicator's time frame and source settings as they are. The defaults work just fine. Now find the ATR period and change it to 14. Then look for the ATR multiplier and set it to 3. For the moving average type, choose EMA and set the moving average length to 9. The rest of the settings can stay the same. There's no need to change them. Next, we'll go to the Style tab. But guess what? You don't need to change anything here. The default settings are perfect as they are. And there you have it. With these simple adjustments, your PMax will be even more accurate when giving you buy and sell signals. So, the PMax is awesome at giving you those buy and sell signals, but we can make it even more reliable by adding another indicator. This will help filter out any signals that might go against the trend. But before we dive into that, just a quick reminder that here at TradeGenius, we're all about sharing the best free and profitable trading strategies to help you succeed in the world of trading. So if you like what we do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now back to our strategy. I found a fantastic trend detector indicator that works hand in hand with the PMAX to give you the most accurate signals possible. The indicator we're going to use is called Kaufman Moving Average Adaptive, or KAMA for short. It's a great tool that helps us identify the overall trend in the market. First, let's add the KAMA indicator to our chart. Once it's there, we'll need to adjust a few settings to make it work perfectly with our strategy. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Alright, let's talk about why the KAMA is such a fantastic trend detector. It's known for its accuracy in showing us the overall direction of the market. Here's how it works. When the price is above the KAMA line, it means the market is in an uptrend. That's when you want to look for a buy opportunities. On the flip side, if the price is below the KAMA line, the price is in a downtrend. In case you should be on the lookout for selling opportunities. The KAMA is like a trusty compass guiding you through the market's ups and downs. By combining it with the PMAX, you'll get a clear picture of not only when to enter trades, but also what direction the market is heading. Alright, let's chat about how to use PMAX and KAMA together for entering and exiting trades. We'll start with a long trade. For buy opportunities, you'll first want to make sure the market is in an uptrend by checking if the price is above the KAMA line. This is like our go signal to start looking for good entry points. Next, wait for the PMAX indicator to give you a buy signal. Once you've got both signals lined up, it's time to jump in and open the buy trade. Now remember to protect your trade with a stop loss. You can use the PMAX line or the most recent swing low as your stop loss level. This way, you're covered if the market suddenly turns against you. And when it's time to exit the trade and lock in those profits, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That means for every dollar you risk, you aim to make 1.5 in profit. On the flip side, let's talk about short trades. For selling opportunities, ensure the market is in a downtrend by checking if the price is below the KAMA line. This tells us it's a good time to look for short trades. Then wait for the PMAX indicator to generate a sell signal. Once you've got both signals, go ahead and enter a short trade. Again, don't forget to set a stop loss. Set it at the PMAX line or the most recent swing high to protect your trade. And just like before, exit the trade with a profit by using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. There you have it. That's how you can master long and short trades using the PMAX and comma combo. Happy trading, and may the odds be ever in your favor.